How to set up YouTube Kids app on your mobile device. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube Kids. It will land you on this page. You can choose either I am a kid or I am a parent. Choose according to your need. Let me click on I am a parent. Tap on this arrow icon at the bottom. Enter the year that you were born. Tap on confirm. Again click on this arrow button. Tap on sign in. You have to scroll all the way down. This interface will pop up. Now you need to enter the password of your account and tap on confirm. You need to enter your first name of your kids and then enter your age. Well, you can also enter your birth month and then click on continue. Select the content as per your need. Let me click on younger. Tap on select. You can see that your profile has been created successfully. Well, you can now go ahead and use this application and you'll be good to go. So this is how you can set up YouTube Kids on your mobile device. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end.